The city of Paris, located in France, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. Being the capital of France, Paris attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year. One of the unique features of Paris is its picturesque landscape. The city is known for its iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Cathedral of Our Lady of Paris, and the Louvre. These architectural wonders showcase the grandeur of the city and serve as symbols of its cultural heritage. Being one of the most visited cities in the world, Paris has a thriving tourism industry. Millions of travelers flock to this magical city every year to explore its charming neighborhoods such as Montmartre and the Marais, enjoy delicious French cuisine in extraordinary Michelin-starred cafes and restaurants, or simply stroll the picturesque streets. For those who want to relax during their visit to Paris, the city offers several beautiful parks and gardens where you can stroll amidst the beauty of nature. In addition, during the summer months, temporary city beaches are created along the Seine River where locals and tourists can sunbathe or enjoy recreational activities. Paris is known as a global center of art, fashion, and gastronomy. The city is home to numerous museums and art galleries that showcase masterpieces from different periods of history. Fashion lovers flock to Paris for the prestigious fashion shows and designer boutiques. Whether you are planning your first visit or returning for a new adventure, exploring Paris promises an unforgettable experience filled with beauty, history, and cultural discoveries that will have you longing to return again.